do a pointer vinyasa flow. Hopefully you've already checked out the SLACKROBATS videos, pointer and double knee, and now we're going to learn to take those two static poses and create one flow. We'll do this on the ground at first, just so you can have an idea of what it'll look like. Coming into pointer on one side, we're going to bring the knee into the line, go to double knee, and then go to pointer on the other side. Bringing it in to double knee, then pointer on the other side. Be sure to find the full extension every time you go through pointer. So, coming back to double knee, and then to pointer. For a challenge, you can bring your elbow to your knee. Touch, extend, double knee, full extension, touch, full extension, double knee. All right, let's take this to the line. Finding pointer, having a strong extension, making sure the knee connection is solid. And remember, 2 points of contact are easier to balance than 3 points of contact. So as we move our knee in to the line, we take our hand off. Again, put the hand on, take the knee off. Okay, so we're going to move to double knee. Find some flair with the hands. And then pointer on the other side. Finding our full extension every time. Coming back to double knee, to pointer on the other side. For the challenge, tuck the knee and elbow together, touch, extend, double knee, pointer, touch, extend, double knee, pointer. You can also move a little quicker through the double knee to make it a faster flow. So, pointer, touch, double knee straight to pointer on the other side, touch, extension, double knee to pointer on the other side. Touch, come down, have some fun double knee, do some crunches. Come down. Have fun with this. Try it once, try it twice. Whole point is for training, conditioning, and having smiles. So have a good time out there, SLACKROBATS, and go get it. Peace.